Man, I am loving my job today. It's a very beautiful, almost the last day of 2024. Sunshine gonna be 61 today. And I am in Matthews, about 2 minutes from 74, which is Independence. Think Cracker Barrel, think all the car dealerships. About 7 minutes from I-485, which goes all the way around Charlotte. And a builder that we're introducing to you today is Kinger Homes. They have secured some amazing lots for a beautiful enclave with a lot of wooded backyards. You'll see in just a second, because my broker partner Rodney Jones and I had committed today to come out and shoot a particular home for one of our YouTube subscribers. So if you see in this video, it's because you either just bought this house or it's no longer available or it is available. And don't guess, just call, holler at your boy. What we do, and let me break that down. We're gonna shoot this for them and give them an opportunity to either yay or nay it, and then we're gonna put it out to the public. And we'll do the same for you. So you're looking right now at a beautiful park, common open space. The concrete is rolling, the houses are here, and there are a number of specs available. I told you woods, didn't I? Rodney Jones, what kind of price points are we looking at out here?
Hello, Roger. Yes, so Kinger Homes is offering these homes in Matthews here in mid-6s all the way up to the low 800s. And you know, you mentioned the location. I had a client ask me, how close is the closest Costco? I could almost throw a rock and hit the Costco right in back of us here.
Oh, and Sam's Club and any restaurant you can think of, all the car dealerships. Rodney, are you like me impressed with the quality that we're seeing?
Very impressed with the quality of this home. Now, Roger, this is not the color of the exterior. This is a primer on the home.
I got you.
So it's not yet been painted. I have requested selections on this home.
We'll find out.
Yeah, notice this 8-foot door, and they did do glass in here.
You know what I love is when Jude comes to that front door, ours is very much like this, and he can look out and do his job.
Roger, this is the fantastic area, but before we get there, let's take a look at, you've got a full bath here, and guess what? If you're moving down from Ohio, New Jersey, Connecticut, Denver, California, mom and dad, they're coming to visit, and this is their space. It could be their space, it could also be a number of other things. I could certainly see a home office here. I know somebody who might use a YouTube studio in here.
That's funny, man. Hey, do you notice this nice wood?
Wood encased windows and nice high ceilings. Again, 8-foot interior doors. You got 4 hinges there.
Wow. This is really cool, man.
Yeah.
And so this is a new builder to us. This is not their first rodeo, but this is a great opportunity for us to showcase Kinger Homes. That's a cool fireplace, kind of a contemporary feel, huh?
It is, Roger, and they did some detail, mold work around it. They've got wired for TV and electrical above it, and that's an electric fireplace. This is a gas advantage home that is electric. And one of the other things that caught my eye are these collapsible doors.
Yeah.
These have become wildly popular, and we see these quite a bit now.
Well, what I think they've done, you tell me if you agree, at this price point, they have given you some really cool features like this without, a lot of builders in $1 million+ homes are doing what, like a 16-foot door.
Yeah.
This looks like a 3-panel.
Yeah.
And wait a minute, excuse me, I've got to take a little mini vacation. Yeah. Looky here, looky here.
Premium private wooded site here. And this is what my partner calls a my kitchen.
It really is.
Yeah, they hit some really nice stuff in here. Dove gray cabinets, got cabinet crown mold on it, backsplash. So
contemporary shelving.
Yeah, contemporary shelving and vents outside.
The vents right here, so they're working hard on it, and that's kind of a nice curve to it, Rodney. I mean,
I call that a furniture vent. It matches the cabinets. They are appears to be scheduled for a gas range coming in here.
Yeah.
Microwave down below. Now, Roger, this is a pantry, and I recently sold a home based on the pantry being able to be walked in like that.
Oh yeah, it's nice. You could really match that out with some custom shelves. So Rodney, again, what's the price, my friend?
Yeah, this home is listed in the mid 600s, 652 and some change.
Well, you don't like talking about price these days too much, do you?
You know, and that used to be a lot of money. You know, 3 years ago before COVID, you'd probably gasp, but today that's about right with today's market. Look at that drop zone mudroom area.
I know.
So
I'm going up.
Yeah, go up, Roger, and be careful. There's some, you know, trim wood up there.
Well, it's a construction site, and what's interesting is somebody says, hey, why don't you wait until it's finished? No, it'll be sold by the time it's finished.
Yeah.
So, oh man,
now
Rodney.
you're talking.
Rodney, I love roof lines like this.
Yeah, and you know, the loft area, what I call the PlayStation area. Some people could play acoustic guitar up here.
Some people could, and Rodney, by the way, has been featured at some local wine places. You ought to call him and find out where he's at. I mean, some really nice ones too. So what song do you get the most reaction from?
So I always say the admission is free and I offer a money back guarantee. So,
but sing me a song.
Yeah, I don't want to scare away the YouTube subscribers. They did do a shared bath in here, Roger. And so you got 2 sinks, and they also had the wisdom to put in a shower, because who takes baths anymore?
See, that's cool that they're playing up along the roof lines. That is a stroke of genius in my regard. I remember a house I remodeled, an old farmhouse, and we took advantage of some of those roof lines.
Sure.
Wow.
Another bedroom up here.
This is great. I'm looking at those woods in the back again.
Woods, natural light, walk-in closet.
So you got 3 bedrooms up and 1 down?
Three up, 1 down. This is the primary bedroom.
Oh, this is cool. It's got kind of a circular, oh man.
Yes, plenty of room in here. Obviously they're gonna do a garden tub in the primary bath. Plenty of walk-in closet space. The small door just leads out to some roof line that's there by code.
Wow.
And this bath is pretty amazing as well. So obviously they did elect to have a standalone garden tub and a walk-in shower. You've got natural light coming in, transom windows, double vanities.
You've done this before, haven't you?
It's the first time.
Oh man. Now Rodney, we're doing this for one of our YouTube subscribers. But there are other opportunities here, right?
Oh yeah, so they're gonna have about 31 homes in here, Roger, and it's amazing that they've sold out as many as they have. I've lost count, I think it was about 10 or 12, and they've just started offering these for sale.
So what's a good way to make this work for somebody else?
Yeah, so just reach out to Roger Holloway. Roger can, you know, assign you to a sales rep. He's got a big team.
Wait a minute, he's getting ready to give his phone number or say call and hit 2 for Rodney. That's Jack's extension.
Yeah, and hopefully this community works for you. If it doesn't, that's okay. We specialize in new homes. We can also help you with resale homes. We sell in North and South Carolina, and we list and sell homes. So don't be afraid to reach out. Reach out to Roger Holloway directly.
Sing a song, man.
Sing me a song, I'm the piano man.
Uh-oh, very good. Guys, I got a great team of people I love working with, and you will too. Rodney's got a ton of 5-star reviews, and he's very well liked. And he's right, we've got a great team, and we work as a team. So we'd love to help you and serve you. If you're out of town and you need a listing agent for your town out there, I can vet you a realtor anywhere within our association, National Association of Realtors. Love to help you. On location at Matthews Ridge Reserve from Kinger Homes, new construction, affordable in the 6s, 7s, and even into the low 8s. Give me a call, 704-345-3400, and I'll see you in the next video.